Yeah, so tonight guys, I'm just talking about frost protection valves, and I'm going to show you in a minute where my frost protection valve is located in this motorhome. There was a question has just come up this evening, which I sort of saw it and I thought, wow, I need to maybe do a quick little video on this. And someone was asking that they'd heard about frost and how do we the water is just automatically, just like as soon as we put the water pump on, it's just draining out. We're trying to fill our water tank and it's just draining out. How can we stop it? So basically, and I did have this issue a couple of weeks ago because we had a really heavy frost here, and when I got down to Tintagel, my water tank was empty, and I'm just about to, so we're getting prepped for the weekend, and I'm just going to top up my water tank because my water tank is down to about quarter. So I'm going to take you guys outside because my frost protection valve is located in a locker out on the near side of this like Burstner vehicle. My previous vehicle to this was a roller team 695, and the frost protection valve was located under the bed in a little compartment under there. So it's always a good thing to like try and find out where your frost protection valve is. They all look very similar in the shape and the color. There's sort of one very common frost protection valve that all the manufacturers seem to use. So let's get outside and I'll show you where mine's located and what it's. And what I'm gonna do in this video is I'm gonna put in a couple of little diagrams and stuff and pictures of the frost protection valve. So yeah, if you get this issue, and then you'll know what to do. Keep an eye on it. It's been fairly cold today. It's just a bit of a quick drain down for the system, like you would do in your house if you was leaving it without the heating on. And in my motorhome, I just leave my little DeLonghi on, which is down on the floor here. So it just keeps the air circulating around, the blown heating, normally when I'm away and it's freezing temperatures, the blown heater is piped, the trunking is piped in around the frost protection valve, so it keeps it quite warm in that little cupboard, that little cabinet on the outside. But let's go and have a look where mine is and see what it looks like. Yeah, so I've just come around the near side of my camper van where the little locker is, where it's located. So I'm just going to open the door and see if my little automatic light comes on. Yes, it does. It works. So in this locker, I'm just going to take out this electrical connection so you can see it a bit better. So located in the locker, there she is, the frost protection valve. So this is actually on the near side in my cabinet with my water container. There she is. Yeah, so that is in the locked position at the moment, so no water will drain out. If you want to trip it, if you want to drain the system down, you just do that, and the little button at the bottom will just pop out. So to reset it, what you've got to do is turn that, click it back in, and also reset the little button, click in there. So now it won't drain out. So there we go. It's as easy as that. So I'll tag some pictures into this one, and it's a truma frost protection valve. Yeah, so I hope that's maybe enlightened you a little bit more about that frost protection valve. It's a great little bit of ingenuity for these motorhomes, because other than having that drain the system out, you'd have like burst pipes, your boiler, you know, all sorts of damage. So it's a really good system. It's just like once you know about it and know how to reset it, and even if you want to just drain down your system, you can just do that and put the water pump on and just let it eject all the water out of the system. But yeah, find the location of your frost protection valve. It's always good to know where it is, just in case it just saves you a lot of time. Hello, where is it? So find out where it is, especially this cold weather. And hope us give us a thumbs up, give us a sub, and thanks for watching, and we'll catch you soon on the next video. Cheers, bye.